Alright, let's do a little tour of the 99 Vista 238. Up on the bow right now we have our anchor holder. The port screened in. Stepping over. So the helm. Down into the cuddy. This is the table that goes out on the other side. Sit down, full relax. This is the head. Got a little table in there and the shore power wire, but sink, toilet. That's the board that you lay down right there to turn that into a bed. Little shower thingy. Light. That's the bed. Fuse panel, old ass radio. Back up here. Full bimini enclosure. It's opened up now because it's really hot. Wrap around. This seat goes back and forth. So you got plenty of seating. You put the pole in there, and that's where the table goes. Little door. And then we got a small swim platform here. Volvo Penta dual prop, powered by the Volvo 5-liter 302 motor. Just got a little scuffs on, not scuffs, but that's something that needs to be fixed. But underneath, all solid. It looks like it was hit anything. Trailer's brand new, basically. I like the wheels on the trailer. That's our little boat.